Um, I wouldn't know if there are any on Earth today. I mean, I would have no reason to believe there aren't, because I feel like if God created us, why wouldn't He create more? Our God is so creative. And I also think that there's another thing. I think that He's still creating even today. I mean, we discover moths that we've never seen before. A moth, their lifespan is not that long. You know, it's not like that moth has been here for 2,000 years and we just saw it today or just discovered it today. Or creatures in the ocean that we may have never seen. I would argue that some of them are extraterrestrial because they are definitely not of our world. And so you could go extraterrestrial, meaning outer space. Uh, there are other galaxies out there. We're in one galaxy of, if we have an Earth in our galaxy and a sun, why would we say that they wouldn't? I'm not sure. I mean, they're so far away, we'll never know. We'll never get there. But God could just as easily have created more. Um, I also think, as far as scripture references in extraterrestrials, as far as I know, there's not really anything that supports creating of other worlds, other than how Jesus says that He is not of this world and we are not either. But that's meaning that we're not of this world, as in we are part of a heavenly kingdom once we've accepted Jesus as our Savior. We no longer belong to this earth. We're not. This world will pass away. This is done. This is a fleeting vapor. We're dust in the wind here. And the world we are going to is a heavenly realm, a kingdom where God is king and Jesus reigns. And that's what He means by we are not of this world. And I do know some people have misconstrued that to believe that, oh, it's like extraterrestrial, or we're coming from a different planet. We're here on some kind of an assignment. But biblically, I don't believe there are any extraterrestrial references. What do you think, Greg?
There we go. Okay. As far as the stars and the moon and all that kind of stuff, um, we're in the Milky Way galaxy. All right, so we're a small galaxy compared to the other ones that are out there.
Mhm.
And some of the scientists say that there's more galaxies out there in the universe than there is sand on the seashores of the world.
Mhm.
So it's just incomprehensible.
It is.
It's just so vast. And it says also in Psalm 147, it says that God has a name for every star, every planet, all that stuff out there. It's just, we just can't imagine. I mean, sometimes they say the average distance between stars is like two and a half light years away from each other. So when you look out there, you're seeing all these stars. Some have died years ago, but they're still the light's still coming
But
after
it
all.
takes a while to reach us.
Yeah, it's just so phenomenal. You know, who are we to, like Psalm 8, it talks about there, about the astronomer's psalm, they call that Psalm 8.
Mhm.
And by the way, if you want to reference Job 9:9, it talks about Orion the hunter, you know, the sheath, the constellation. It talks about Pleiades, the sisters of Pleiades, and it also talks about Orion the hunter, Pleiades, and the Big Dipper.
Mhm.
And so that